Welcome to another English lesson, year 2. So we're carrying on with writing instructions, but today, like I said yesterday, we're going to learn about how to write instructions for planting seeds. So let's get started. Our learning objective today is to be able to write a story map of how to plant a seed. So yesterday we were looking at what instructions are, and today we're going to see if we can write some of our own. But we're going to do a story map today. Tomorrow you're going to see if you can write some of your own. So here we go. So today we're going to plant a seed. So what do we need to plant a seed? We need some soil. We need a pot or a cup, or like a paper cup if you haven't got a pot, some seeds and some water. If you haven't got any seeds, you can ask whoever's in your house, one of the adults, to help you. You can maybe find one in the middle of an apple or a pepper, or there's lots of different fruits and vegetables that have seeds, so you can always ask if you need to. So next we need to think of the method. What are we going to do? So the first thing you need to do is collect all the items. Then you need to put some soil in a pot nearly up to the top. After that, you make a hole with your finger for the seed or for the seeds. You need to put the seed or seeds in the hole. After that, you cover the seeds with soil. Then you water the pot, and lastly you leave it somewhere where it's sunny and you wait for it to grow. You have to wait for it to grow because it's not going to grow immediately, so it might take about a week or maybe a little bit more.
Hi Year 2, look at the lovely sunny afternoon we've got. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've decided that to do with our English we're going to do some planting today. So let's see what I've got on the table ready to do some planting. So here's my table, it's all ready. So I've got some soil, I've got some pots, two different types of pot. I've got this circular one and I've got a square one. I've got lots of seeds, and these have come from peppers. Lots of seeds in there. And I haven't got a watering can, but I've got some water in there. So what is the first thing we need to do? So as they're small seeds, I'm just going to put it in the small pot because I don't need a big pot for that. So I'm going to fill my pot with soil. Don't need to fill it right up to the top. Just leave a little gap. Okay, there you go. There it is. Now I'm going to make a little hole in it with my finger. The soil is very, very dry at the moment, but in a little while it's going to get much wetter when we put some water in. And I'm going to put some seeds in. Sprinkle a few seeds in. Can you see them? There they go. And then I'm going to put some more soil in on top to cover the seeds over. And they're going to pat it down. I might put a little bit more in. There we go. Okay, so I've got my soil. I put my soil in the pot. I've put the seeds in. Now what's the last thing I need to add in? Yes, the water. Now it would be much easier with a watering can, but I don't have one. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in. Because it doesn't need too much. As the water is on top, it will all dissolve in. If you get too much water, it will come out the bottom. Now, the last thing we need to do is to leave our plant in a lovely sunny place. So, I don't know, I want to leave it somewhere where it will get lots of sun. In fact, look, water's coming out the bottom. So I might leave it just here, next to this lovely plant, which is growing. And then there's some weeds. I need to get out and do some weeding as well. So let's check back in a few days and see what has happened to our plant. Okay, let's see what we're going to do now on the next slide. We're going to write some instructions and draw a story map. Yes! So we've done the video and we've looked at the instructions. Now we're going to see if we can write the instructions. So I've written the title, How to Plant a Seed. You will need a pot, some soil, some seeds and some water. Now I've done it in a story map so you can see. So number 1 is put the soil in the pot. Number 2 is make a hole with your finger. Number 3, put the seed or seeds in the pot. Number 4, cover the seed with soil. Number 5, water it. And number 6, put the pot in the sun and wait and see what happens. Because unfortunately, when I look tomorrow at our seeds, they are not going to have grown. You have to wait, I would say at least a week, maybe a little bit longer for some shoots to sprout. Let's see, your turn now. Let's see if you can do a lovely story map about how to plant seeds.
Now it's your turn. So can you write your own story map on how to plant a seed? I've laid it out in boxes like this with the title, then what you need, then the method, and at the end you can also add a picture and a caption if you want to. You don't have to put it in boxes like that. You can look back at my story map, you can pause the video and you can do the same as me. Can't wait to see your story maps. Okay, see you tomorrow, and tomorrow we're going to see if we can write the instructions. Well done today. Bye.